Hello, Ryan Darling. Today is a little quick tutorial about the RST airbag suit I recently upgraded. It kind of came in charge, but when you slot it in and pair it, very easy, very intuitive. But connecting to its own native Wi-Fi in order to upgrade and whatnot is a little bit takes a couple tries, but the second try was done. So the suit came with a back protector, as everybody knows, and then the cartridge is here. Looks like everything is okay. I also bought another one over here in order to kind of be prepared for inflation. And there's a little tool to test if the airbag's still good or not, which is very, very smart. There are some instruction for inflators, once you inflate, what do you do afterwards? And these are the instructions. So they're very, very awesome. I like to think that my next experience in track will be a little bit discovery, and plus that a lot of people said that the perforation, look at the perforation on the inside once that you actually took out the liner. See how there's the perforation inside. It is quite a bit. That's actually quite good. Even the accordion type of material here has some perforation on the dots too. It's pretty amazing. So they really did look into this, and I had to detach the sleeve right here, which was attached here too, in order to get it full open like this for the video. But other than that, that was simple as it can be. Pretty straightforward. That's all. Thank you for joining me, and if you like this video, please help me to put a thumbs up and unsubscribe, and that'll help my algorithm. And that's it for now. Happy motoring.